Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm driving a 2012 Ford Fusion SEL and I will show you how to find the code for the keypad on the driver's door in case you lost it or you just purchased this vehicle and you don't know the code and maybe the dealer told you would have to take it to a Ford dealership to have it scanned and get the code, and that might cost you up to $100, but it's actually quite easy to find it and then remember it or write it down. Okay, so I will try to turn on the flash on my phone and show you where it is. So this is the keypad and the code is located just under here. It's actually on a fuse box cover. So once again, just next to the brake pedal, and up here, I hope you'll be able to see it. You'll see, okay, here it is, that white sticker, and there is a code on top of it. So, okay, this is mine. Yeah, so once again, I'll try to zoom out a bit. So next to the brake pedal and up. So once you have the code, you can try it on your door keypad and remember it and write it down. Or you can also change it. There is a different procedure for that, but I will cover that in one of my following videos. So please subscribe, like if this was helpful, and help me expand this channel. Thank you for watching.